Hi everybody, it's Danielle. Today I wanted to talk to you about serger tails. When I finish off my serger seams and I have the tail at the very end, what I've been doing is taking my seam ripper, separating out my needle thread from my looper thread, and then I tie it off and clip it. So while it's been working, I've been also kind of looking out there to see if there's something that's a little more efficient. Maybe it looks better, maybe it secures it better, I'm not sure. But I've been looking around to see what I could find. When I was at the Sew Expo, I found this tool called the Lil Hookey. That's it. And it's supposed to be an easy way for you to finish off your serger tails. So I'm home now, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to do like a little product review and try it out, and try it out for the first time with you guys so you guys can watch it and see what you think. I went ahead and serged up a few samples of different fabrics that I commonly use. I have no idea if it makes a difference for it, but I figured we'd give it a shot and see what it does. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and thanks for coming by. Okay, so here we go. This is the Lil Hookey. I've got some Rayon spandex. I have some brushed French terry, and then this is a double brush poly, and this is an ITY. Here. Oh, this is kind of weird. Okay, so you don't want to pull back at all because it wants to grab the threads. Okay. All right, so it's through now. Oh, that's a tiny little hook. See that? Rotate it. Okay, it doesn't want to go. So maybe this takes a little bit of practice. Oh, there we go. I grabbed the fabric. Okay. And then it says to unhook the secured thread tails and clip. Okay. Huh. That looks pretty nice. Okay, so that was double brush poly. Let's go ahead and try Rayon spandex. Okay, so again, slide it in. So I could see that this could be a little more difficult with something that has a lot of texture to it, that it might try and grab. But I bet the more you use it, the easier it is. Okay, so it's on. Let's secure it. Okay. And then to the fabric. Okay, so that last little bit, it caught on me on the double brush poly, and it's wanting to do it on this too. It's like trying to grab the layers in there. Well, that didn't work very well. All right, let's see if I can get it out. Okay, that didn't work. Let's try the other side, because this could totally just be user error since I've never used this before. All right, so sliding it back through. Also, I'm wondering if I'm going too far. So on the next one, I'll try. Oh, that didn't work. I did not like that one. That did not work. I don't know if it's the fabric or if it's me, but let's try a different one. So this is ITY. This time I'm not gonna go as far. Oh, that's going in way easier. Okay, so this time I didn't go back as far. I did only a shorter piece. So that might be a better option. Okay. So it's hooked. Oh yeah, that went way better. Okay, so again, this is ITY. That looks nice. That is nice. Okay, so it worked for double brush poly, it worked for ITY. Now, let's try it with this brush French Terry. This has a lot more texture to it, so I wasn't sure what it would do. But I'm gonna do the same short amount here instead of going back so far. Again, it's wanting to grab the fabric. Okay. Oh, that went through pretty quick actually. Okay, so let's snip that. Oh, that looks pretty good too. So it kind of seems like it missed some of it though. I'm not really sure about that. Now, this time I'm gonna try it not as far back here. I'm only gonna do like the little 1/2 inch that it says. And this does not want to go through. I also wonder, because I'm using woolly nylon thread in my loopers, if that makes a difference, since it seems to be more of a fuzzy thread. Okay, and tip it. There we go. So that time went back. That time went through a little bit easier. And that looks good. So I'm thinking the first time with the Rayon spandex was just user error, maybe. Maybe I need some more practice on it, which I will definitely continue with. So again, we did double brush poly. And then we did, we've got the ITY. This was really nice. This was slick. And then we have the Rayon spandex redo. And then we have the brush French Terry. So definitely gonna give these some more tries and see how it goes. I do like the fact that they provide you with 2 of these. So there's an additional one in here. So if you misplace it or break it. Overall, I think it'll be a good tool. I will definitely want to play with it some more with some more fabrics and give it some more practice and see how it goes. Thanks for coming by.